Hello guys, Adam here from Adam Option Academy. This is a live trade. I made nearly $50,000 and you will see on this trade like let's say the dark side of trading. You need to understand trading is not easy. You will see me down maybe 40k, 30k on this trade. And after that you will see me I'm very green on this trade. The video is actually long. Start to finish, you will understand everything. Now let's watch. I start building a position. As you can see here on the chart, I took the trade immediately at the open. Size was not heavy from the beginning, but why I took it from the open? Because pre-market was very support. So you see the red line on the chart, was my target. So I was targeting big pushing at the open because I saw Apple very strong. I thought will push immediately. But now let's watch. There was some pullback. The push take actually a long time, never came. I believe because at the open, financial sector and health sector was weak, but technology was pushing. Even Qs did not react very good with Apple was very strong, Amazon, Meta, Google on this day. But Tesla and I believe Microsoft was not pushing. So that Qs took longer time to push. So let me explain to you guys. You will see me on this trade down 30k. If you don't have balls on trading, you will never make money. And let's understand, I have two accounts. This account, I play 0 DT, and on second account, it's actually much bigger. I play 0 and 1 DTE, put the size on 0 and 1. On the main account, I took the trade after the reversal. After we see in the chart here, we pushed to the view up. After we pushed and the break, you see the green line, my entry point. On the main account, I took the trade immediately here. But on this account, I took it from the beginning. I was planning to hold. But the pullback catch me a little bit. But because I saw this happen before, I know the winning rate is much higher. So let me explain to you why I hold the trade even when I was right. So there was some numbers on 8.30 and the numbers came very bullish. So that the market, as you can see on the chart, react very strong to the upside. So this look like an uptrend. So on every uptrend, we will see that pushing to the upside. After that, some reversal, profit taken. Then second wave will come. Now, I still building the position. As you can see, I was waiting. We pushed to the view up so that I can take heavier size. They was really trying to catch me today because you see we break the view up. After that we come back, but the main point, I have a bot that alert long or short. Today alert long give me confidence to hold, and I saw that around the view up every red candle is getting bought, as you can see on the chart right now. You see the white circle, white square, all this is my entry point. If you ask me what was your stop loss on this trade, honestly, what's the stop loss that makes sense for me? We break 4, 5, 6. If we don't break 4, 5, 6, there is zero reason I sell the position. And even if we break 4, 5, 6, there is still the trade can work. But if the trade was 1 DTE, because the big support was on 455, we fill the gap and we're pushing again. Till now, you will see me I'm red more than this, but on my main account, I still did not take the trade. Only one contract, 3 contract actually, 1 contract on the puts, SPX, 2 contract on the calls. One contract 0 DT, one contract 1 DT. I put 75 of the position on 1 DT, 25 of the position on 0 DT. On interactive broker, in this account I trade like 50% of the board, 100% of the portfolio, whatever. Big board is actually much bigger than that. If you trade with me live on Discord, you know everything about my trading style, my accounts, wherever. So you see there was some pushing right now. We back to break even. I was believing this actually, the time we will make the second push. But the time took longer time. But I'm a trader. I saw this happen many before. I have been trading for 10 years. I saw this many times happening. If we 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, after that the big bushes came. So when I was trading live, I was still telling my discords, I will size up very heavy if we break for 5-7. If I have more money on this account, I will take even bigger size, full boarding. But I have money on my main account, so when we break 4-5-7, I took SPX, 25 of the position on 0 DT, at the money. I always take out the money. I don't take out of the money. And I took $5, I believe, 4,570 calls. 1 day expire. I believe the average price was 17, something like that. After that, just when we break 4-5-7, you see how the big bushes come. My target, maximum target, was the red line, because this is a double top from 2 days ago, and I did not want to hold longer. Please take a look on the chart on December 7. You will see that exactly where I sold on this chart. There was some pullback. Why? Because understanding the market is half your winning rate. Why the pullback happened? Because we have CPI next week. And on Friday, December 8, we have more numbers. So when you understand the market, you have high winning rate, and you understand when to sell, when to buy. So as you can see on right now, I back to green, but I did not sold. I have zero reason to sell. The trade look perfect. Zero reason to size down. Everything look perfect. They will gut me again. They will catch me again. I was really believing the push will come here. I was really believing, full honest here, I was believing, you see me, I took the full size. We break the view up. Right now, I believe on this tail, or not yet. And we hold very nice. The profit taken already happened. And I said, the push will came here, so I took the full size on this trade. They will, the price action will push to the downside little bit, stick to the view up. I saw Apple very strong on that day, on this day, December 7. So it's given me a really confidence to hold the trade, even when I was red. Let's watch and let's see. I took really very heavy size on 4-5-7 when we break. If I feel like on this account, I took the trade little, I rushed on this trade. So if I took it on the pullback, I would make like 100% on this trade. My style, the people who trade with me live on the Discord every morning, you can find all the links below. They know that on every push, I don't take the calls. I don't take the calls. Why? Because I explained to them, if you take the calls from the top, that means you are a small fish. So any traders who took the calls last night, they will sell at the open. So I should have built a small position like $10,000 on the pullback. I take the full size. I little rushed on this account, but I was like, how much? 90% sure we will break all day high. Was 90% sure we will break all day high because everything was looking for very strong. And if we take a look on a 30-minute chart, please go and take a look on 30-minute chart on SPY. Take a look right now. You will see that we have been trading on this range for almost 2 weeks. Buying support, selling resistance. We have gap to the upside, we have gap to the downside. We are in the middle, but we are near to the support. So the winning rate is much higher. Especially the morning numbers came bullish for the market. Let's see. My son here in my office. They know I record this voice after the trade already done. So right now the time above 11. I trade maximum only 2 hours for the day, at the morning, and I take one more trade at power hour. In the middle of the day I try to stay away because the volume is really low and most of the trades take long time. So that I open my office door and they come here, they play wherever. Now I will mute myself, watch the trade guys, and I will back to you when something crazy happen. I will back to you when you see me. I'm down like 40k, something like that on this trade. You see right now, guys, the pullback, that's the big red candle under the VWAP on the chart, happened here, and that my premium lost a lot of value. Again, trading is not easy, especially if you're oversizing. I have been doing this for 10 years, so I know what I'm doing. And even if I took a lose, I can come back. I can deposit money on this account next day. Have no problem with that. I have big accounts. I made so much money since the last 7 days on December, so it's 100% okay for me. And like I told you, maximum lose, if we lose 4, 5, 6, if we lost 4, 5, 6, as you can see on the chart, we never lost that. There is zero reason to hold the trade. If you trade zero DTE, guys, you should never have a stop loss. To be honest, you have to hold a size that you relax to see yourself maybe down 50%. So why? Because zero DTE, this video is a proof to you. You will see me down from 40% and back to up 40%. This is how zero DTE work. But on one DTE, no. You can actually manage the trade better. I take most of my big size on most of my big size on one DTE on my main account. Now, as you can see right now, we are chopping around the VWAP. Right now, I was live in my discourse telling people if we break the 4, 5, 7, I will size up. We break it with a tail. You will see when I will come back to break even. I did not took it. I took it on the next candle. This candle, before we break 4, 5, 7, was actually a red candle. Red candle. After that, big green candle with a tail. This is very bullish candle. That means there is big buying on the dip. When we break 4, 5, 7, I took the trade immediately. Now, as you can see right now, there was some pushing near to 4, 5, 7. Still just waiting, seeing we break 4, 5, 7 with a good volume. I was expecting the push to come at any moment because we tested the VWAP and Apple very strong. I was just waiting JP Morgan to push little bit, or health sector, or anything that help SPY. All technology was very strong. Meta, Google was actually having news on about the AI. Apple was very strong and break the double top from 2 days ago. UVXY was made some green candles, after that red candles, and break the VWAP. You will see that. I want you to check all the chart, what I'm saying. Now let's watch the trade. By the way, guys, the video was so long, like more than 15 minutes, so I tried to make little shorter. I cut some things that when I open my browser, wherever there is some information. Let's keep watching here. Now look at that, guys. From down 24, you will see me, I back nearly to down only 14 and back nearly to break even. There was a big candle from the view up to the upside. Down 20. I thought that's it. We are going to push. The push is coming here. And boom, another tail. Watch. 16, 17. They was really testing me so bad today. See, right now I'm down 14. That's it. I say that's it. I was down 35, something like that. Now the push is coming. The candles was amazing. This actually happened 2 candles away before we break 457. Oh my God, down only 10. That's it. The reaction, guys, when I trade live is crazy. You really need to be on my Discord. You see right now I'm down only 7. That's it. The push is coming. You see how much I'm down on money? But I don't care. After all these years, I focus only on a percentage. Look right now how big tail on this red candle took me. There was some cutoff because I opened my browser to check the flow. Took me from down only 5 to down 30%. This is 1 candle away or 2 candle before, as you can see on the chart, before we break 457. I was shocked. Even when I was trading live with the Discords, I told him, wow, this candle just, I don't like to hoping when I trade, but this candle about to destroy my plan. Honestly, there is zero reason this candle appear right now after this buying on the dip. But like I told you, I stick to my main stop loss till we lost 4, 5, 6. This is a bullish price action. Now let's watch. Now take a look. This is 1 candle away before we break 457. Right now I believing this is 1 or 2 candles. I start also loading calls, 1 day expire and 0 DTE, 25 of the position, 75 of the position on 1 DTE, SPY and SPX because I took really heavy size. Now the trade start working. That's fucking amazing. Look at that. No emotion in trading. You need balls. You need to stick to your plan. I could just sell half and walk away green, but I will not do that. It's amazing how I watch all these trades. Like and subscribe, guys. Like the video so you guys will make me make more videos. By the way, guys, this is 100% real account. There are some people I see this is paper or they don't know or real accounts, wherever, 100% real account. On paper account, you will see on interactive, on each platform, there is something prove this is a real or paper or something like that. You will see the here big red tab telling you this is paper, and I believe you can't have two currency wherever. Let's watch the trade. Comment, guys, support, follow me on Instagram also. I do a lot of short videos, recap. You can learn a lot. Oh my god, the trade about to work. I'm loading calls right now. Take a look, guys, what's gonna happen next. I was up like 20% and my internet cut off. I had a problem with my internet connection. But back very fast. I abused the video, just fixed that. Unfortunately, when I was trying to take a profit, I did not notice that the video was abused. You see right now I'm trying to make, to put a trailing stop loss. See, I'm trying to buy one contract to make the contract 875. Trying to put a trailing stop loss, so this is be free stress, free risk. The trailing stop loss not working because, as you can see, I have already a trailing stop loss, so I have to cancel it, then I can put it again. I don't put a stop loss to break even when I'm up 10. I have to be at least up 13 to put the 10 stop loss, so that when my stop loss hit on the green, like 3-4%. Trailing stop loss, moving stop loss. If you don't understand what's trailing stop loss, search on YouTube. There is a lot of videos. Take a look, guys. Take a look here. You see me, I'm up nearly $30,000 or something like that. I don't take my profit. When my trade work in my favor, I try to hold. This is what make me very profitable trader. You see right now I'm up nearly 25 or $40,000, something like that. But take a look what's gonna happen. My internet will gone. Take a look. Come on. I have trailing stop loss, I believe, right now. Up at 24%. I'm not selling. Honestly, I was waiting like 50%, something like that. I was planning to hold this trade longer and longer, but because we have CPI next week, I was very careful. Take a look on the chart what's happened. If I was still holding, you will see me back to red on this trade. After that, there was big buying on the dip, but I did not take any more trades because I just wanted to stay away, because it was very stressful trade, to be honest. Right now I'm trying to put 15 trailing stop loss, so I don't, because on 10% on any pullback, maybe because this is 0 DT, the stop loss can hit very fast. I wanted to hold this trade longer. You see right now I'm up 15. You see I'm not clicking. I'm waiting. I be up. Right now we break all day high, by the way. On this is, I believe, the second candle or first candle we, as you can see on the chart. This is the second candle or the first candle we break all day high. I saw some pullback, so I'm putting here all the contracts. So if something went wrong, I can just take it out on break even. When we break, guys, when we break all day high and we break down again, the resistance will act like support. If I was in trade, I take it off. I cut it. Why? Because this can be a fake breakout. I don't hold the size. Now, as you can see, I'm up at 20%. I will put 15 trailing stop loss, so that if the trade back to up to 3%, something like that, will hit on a green. You see my internet cut off. I will pause the video. Internet come back right now. When the internet come back, guys, I pause the video and forget to open the video again. I was up, as you can see here, nearly 40%, something like that. As you know, I was holding 800 contract. I sold most of my position, 3.4, and right now I'm holding only runners.